These days, moms are choosing a convenient food pouch instead of jars. But the end is sharp and can lead to gum irritation and pain for your baby. And when baby feeds herself from the pouch, it can be pretty messy. And sure, the spoon attachment is handy, but you still have to feed her. But what if there was a truly convenient, comfortable, and less messy way to feed your baby? Introducing Pouch Pop. Simply pop it on your baby's favorite pouch, give it a squeeze, and voila! It's easy to use and reuse. Now your baby can feed herself in the car, at the park, at the store. Pouch Pop, easy to use and reuse. Made from safe, non-irritating hospital-grade silicone. And Pouch Pop is the perfect way to transition your baby from the bottle to solid food. Pouch Pop, pop it on and pucker up.